Well, first and foremost, thanks for watching my videos, okay? I get a lot of questions every week. How should I promote Live Good properly, effectively? Is there a secret, a tip? Okay? There's got to be, a secret formula, sauce. Do a lot of gurus, leaders that are really good at online business. Maybe they have 10, 20, 30 years of network marketing, MLM, affiliate marketing, call it what you want, okay? The longer you do this business, you're going to get better at it, okay? And you might have a list where you can email people where they trust you, they like you. And if you say, you know what, go to Live Good and check it out. I think you're going to like the products. They're wholesale for $10 a month. If you have $40, two $20 bills, you can join, and that's for life. There's no recurring 40 or next year you got to pay another 40. $40 one time. We commission on the membership side. That's why I am an affiliate marketer with Live Good. Okay, I don't do MLM, traditional Herbalife, let's say New Skin, Amway, Mary Kay. All right, is Isogenics still around? I mean, I'm still stuck on Avon and Tupperware. All right, because I'm from the 60s, and I remember in the 70s, oh my God, all these women would be over in my parents' living room with my mom having little meetings about home interior things and Tupperware. And oh God, don't get me started on Amway. Okay, well, Live Good is not about that. We're about selling products for wholesale. You got $10 a month, buy wholesale. You have permission to sell them on an Amazon store out the back of your trunk. All right, maybe you want to just have an online presence where people know that you have some really good products for sale and they make a difference. You own a gym, okay? You can retail our products. You just got to pay $10 a month to buy them at wholesale prices so your profit is higher. Now, you can go to livegood.com and shop like walmart.com or amazon.com. You don't have to be a member to buy our products. You can buy them just retail. Now, if you want to be a member for the $10 a month, you're going to save a substantial amount. Now, I recommend you do this if you're going to buy our products every month. I was buying Super Reds and Super Greens and some other products way before I could give a rat's ass about being an affiliate for Live Good. But when I looked at the $10 a month versus wholesale retail price of the products I was buying, I was saving like $30, sometimes $40 a month if I spent 10. Okay, so would I go to an ATM and put in a $10 bill and $40 comes back? You bet your butt. I will definitely do that. So then a couple months went by and I had a friend of mine, and he's worth like 5, 7, maybe as high as $10 million. And he goes, hey, you looked into this Live Good thing. It's going places. You should look into this company as being an affiliate. And then I went, oh man, I don't want to be an affiliate. Like, ugh. And then I looked into where this is a membership focused website. Okay. We commission the membership side. So if I just say, guys, if you're watching my video and you want to earn some extra money and maybe get in shape too, then check out this opportunity. Thanks for your time. Goodbye. That's all. I don't have to buy products. Now you can see I have a bunch of products just on my little mini fridge. See the little white containers? I think I got the Orgasmic Coffee, Amino Acid Punch. I love Super Reds, Super Greens. I recommend E3 for energy, but you guys can look at all this stuff on your own. Okay. I just want you excited that if you're looking to join Live Good, you're in the right place, guys. Okay. We have 2 years under our belt. We have almost 2 million people signed up, $15 million of products going out, a couple hundred countries. All right. Worldwide have climbed aboard this train. Okay. You need to also. So, all right. How do I promote Live Good? I've signed up well over 400 people. I should have 500 people by 2025. Very excited to help you. I just invite people to a link. Go to joincory.com, click the link, watch the video. If you want to join, put your name and email address in the little box. That's all I do. I bought this business card from Vistaprint for like $20 for a big old box. I bought joincory.com, and then I'll just show you what it bounces to. See the screen? This is called a capture page. This is where you are going to get this exact page, and I hope you promote it like I do. Invite people to this link. People will watch this little video. It's our CEO talking about everything that you need to know about joining or just buying the products. If you want to join, put your name and email address in and hit that orange little button. Okay, that's it. And if you don't join, don't worry about it. Take your time. All right, there's no fire sale. This is not like, oh, there's bonuses. If you join by midnight, you're going to get $1 million of courses that are 10 years old. Okay, I don't do that. Join when you can. Guys, it's only $10 a month. 40 bucks one time. So if you have $49.95, go to my joincory.com, please. Click that link, go here, watch this little video, put your name and email address in, click the button, and let's lock in. All right? Let's have some biz come your way, and let's do it online. All right? I bought a webcam that you're looking at right now for like $70 at Best Buy. I bought a little light to light my face up. You can see the little circle thing in my glasses here. And I just turn the webcam on and I talk for a little bit. Sometimes 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's all different. All right, as long as I can talk how I am now. I don't talk faster than normal. I don't put graphics up and lightning bolts and buy now buttons. Okay? I just like to talk like you're in my living room or we're on your patio just having a drink and just talking about this opportunity. It's effective. It works for me. It's my comfort zone. But if you don't want to do video, let's get you doing emails. I'm damn good at that. I'll send you 150 that work. I think I got about 160 now. And the subjects that go in the email you're going to send that get them opened. Okay? And if you're a social media person, all right, do you like the ticky-talky? Maybe the Instagrammy? How about Facebook? That's my favorite. All right? We'll help you out. There's a lot of training, a lot of support. You don't have to inventory anything. You don't have to ship anything. There's full customer support. And if you buy any of our products, you got 90 days to use them up, gobble them up. If you got CBD oil, like right here, I always got a jar of this or bottle. Empty it out all the way. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Send this empty bottle back. You can even send it upside down or upside up. Send it back to Jupiter, Florida, get a full refund. Protein powder. All these products on my mini fridge. I can empty all those containers out as long as within 90 days. After point of purchase, hey, I can get my money back. But we have almost zero returns, guys. We're the cheapest, we're the best. We have the most expensive ingredients, but we sell at wholesale. We're usually 30 to 70% cheaper than anyone out there on comparable products. And you can look all this stuff up. I'm just not blowing smoke up your little cute bum. All right? Okay, guys. Thank you for your time. Looks like I'm at 7 minutes. Let's wrap it up in 8. Deal? Okay, if you don't mind, I'd like to show you my card one more time. And this is all I hand out people, see? If on a street level, I don't really talk about Live Good. I just promote the web link, okay? Joincory.com. Here you go, guys. Click, sit behind your steering wheel in your car and watch the little video. If you're at home, go on your home computer laptop. If you're laying in bed, lay in bed in the dark in your jammies. Put that cell phone up to your face and watch the Live Good video. Okay? You got $49.95. I know you do. All right, there you go, guys. Cory. joincory.com. I got my business cards in my little holder there. I got the screen showing my business card. And guess what? My work is done. All right, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you'll find me on Facebook. Inbox me. And I'm not shy. If you need to email me, go ahead. Cory@CoryDraper.com. Okay, guys. All right, have a good day. Thanks again for your time. We'll talk to you later. See ya.